Hello and welcome to this first lecture of how to sign up for Shopify store from the very basic. For 14 days free trial sign up, you have to click on the link given in the notes of this first lecture. So you will have this link, you have to click on it and you will be forwarded to 14 days free trial of this Shopify page, and from here you just have to enter your email. Okay, after entering your email, you just have to click on 14 days free trial. After clicking on it, you have to create your password. And then you can also edit your store default URL that will be with myshopify.com. So here we will be editing it like you can make it with your business name. So the default URL should also stay like this, but this is not important because at the end you can replace this URL with custom domain you will buy from Shopify, or you can also buy from any hosting provider like GoDaddy, Hostinger, Namecheap, from anywhere. So we will make it as it is, and when you click on create your store, it is now creating your store. Okay, here we go. Once you will click on it, you will be forwarded to this screen. It will ask you some questions at the very beginning, like are you already selling? Like I'm not selling products yet. I'm selling, just not online. I sell with different system. So we'll be selecting I'm not selling products yet. Okay. In addition to your Shopify store, where else would you like to sell online? Like you can check all these sales channels, right? What is your current revenue? We will usually select it is as 0 because we are just starting. And then which industry will you be operating in? Like before going to start a dropshipping store, you must know that what products you will be going with, so it will be easy for you. So we will be going to jewelry products later while creating our store. So we click next, and then it will ask you for your credentials. So you will have to put all the credentials. And then you have to write business or personal website. You can also make it optional if you don't have yet. And you can also check that this store is a registered business. If you already registered your name of the store with your country tax department, so you can check this one. After then you have to click on enter my store, right? When you will click on enter my store, it will take you to this screen. This is the default dashboard of Shopify admin, where you will see all these things. Once you will select a plan, you will be able to sell your products, and it will give you 14 days free trial, right? So in 14 days you can play around, you can create your store for the first sale to become. So after entering all these things and doing all these things, you will have to check your email, and you will get an email after sign up by Shopify like this. So It is saying your free trial starts today. Congratulations on starting your journey with Shopify. So here is your store URL, here is your login URL and the password you already remembered while creating it. So this was all about your account has been created with Shopify. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.